What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to teach you how to deep clean your Slimline Pro LIs and modify them so you can use the T outliner blade. Let's roll that intro. Okay, so the tools you're going to need are, let me adjust this just a little bit. Okay, tools you're going to need, right? You're going to need Andis Slimline Pro LI. You're going to need an Andis T outliner blade, right? You're going to need a screwdriver, screws. You're going to need a drill bit, one that will fit inside the holes of the Slimline Pro, and you're going to need a drill. So first things first, we're going to start with the cleaning. We are going to take the blade off of here. Try not to throw your screws everywhere. Boom. Take the blade off. You can see there's a bunch of hair in there. Right, so we're going to set this off to the side because we know we're going to replace this. Don't need it right now, right? So next you're going to take 2 screws out of the back. Okay. 1 screw. Whoa! 1 screw, 2 screws. Okay. Then you can take, if you have one, just flip over to like a flathead. And you don't need to, but just makes it a little tad easier. You just so when you pop this open, instead of pulling it straight up, you have to, there's like a little groove here. You guys can see there's a groove there. You see it? Where you have to like slide it forward. Okay. There's the inside, bunch of hair. Let me grab an air duster. All right. Get you a little can of air. Blow all the hair out. Okay, now we're going to deep clean these, so we're going to take out the 2 screws here to remove the motor. Okay, now when you do this, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Don't do this to Big Teezy now. There we go. Now what you're going to do is you're going to pop this plastic piece off of here. Actually, I'll leave that there. Okay, so take the motor, take this out. Now this should come out. Not much hair back there, but for the sake of cleaning, all right, so slap that bad mama jamma right back in there. This whole piece comes in, boom, lay that down. Make sure this stuff is lined up. Pow. Let's put the screws back in the motor. Bada bing, bada bam. Okay, slap our housing back on there again. Bada bing, bada bam. We had black screws in the back, so we'll put the same black screws in the back. All right, that's cleaned. Still turns on. All ready to get started on the blade. Okay. Take your blade, set your screws over the side, undo these screws here. Okay, separate this. You no longer need this. Take this, pop this plate out, pop this spring out, disassemble this whole piece. Okay, you can actually leave. Okay, so here, right, you just need to pop this piece out. Okay, now you need to pop this piece out. Okay, pop that plastic piece out. So now you should just have these two pieces and set them off to the side. These are all the pieces you need. You need your plate, okay? You need your spring, okay? And you need your plastic piece. This is what attaches to the motor, allows the thing to spin. My battery's about to die. I'm gonna change it out real quick. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, we're back. Battery charged. Okay, so first things first, actually, second piece. Let's take apart our T-outliner blade. Okay, let's put all our parts for our slimline blade over here, T-outliner blade. Same situation, you're gonna take this off, boom, set that off to the side, boom, set that off to the side, bow, bow, boom. Okay, so pretty much what we're trying to do here is we're gonna pretty much just swap these out to where this is gonna sit like so, right? This is gonna sit here, okay? But in order to zero gap these and make them work, we need to hollow these out to make them wider so this can slide forward and backwards. So what we need to do is, if your plate is here, you need to hollow the holes that way. So you need to arch this side and then arch the top side. So you take your drill bit and you're gonna put it over the thing, right? You guys see that okay? And then you're gonna pull the trigger, hold on to the tab, and you're gonna back and forth. Okay, back to what we were doing. Be careful not to catch your damn finger in the drill. Okay, we got that elongated. Boom, that's how we should sit. Okay, so next, what we need to do is, can you guys see? Come on, focus. So you guys see these little tabs here? Tab 1. So you have 3 tabs. Small, see, small tab, big tab, small tab, right? We need to get rid of these small tabs because when you stick them on here, those nubs prevent it from sitting flush on your T-outliner blade, right? So it won't lock into that hole. So we need to shave those off. So we're gonna grab a razor blade, get it in the camera view here. Okay. You're literally just gonna try to get that as flat as possible. So hold the blade still, straight against it, and just slide it on over. Give it a couple extra slides just to be sure. So now we have a flat side. See how it's flat? There's no more nubs. Now, when I go to stick this blade on here, this bad mama jamma just slides in place. Just like that. Well, actually it goes that way, but just like that. So now it fits. Okay? So now that you have that done, right, pretty much all you do now is construct this just like you would a regular, slimline blade. So you're gonna take this, you're gonna lay this inside here, right? Lay your black piece over here. You want your concave facing towards your holes. Take your spring, right? Slide it over the back. So we can get that in focus. Slide this over the back. You can actually wait on that part. Slide this over the back. That should snap into place. Boom. Now you have, okay, your blade. Blade is in place, right? Have this piece and your spring in there, right? Now you're going to take this piece. You're going to line it up with your hole, just like you would. And then boom. You see how it snaps into place on its own? Ta-da. Alright, so the tool that I use to set my Andis Slimline, not my Slimline, but my Andis T-outliner blades, is the On the Money Setter by the Barber. It's for the T-outliner. So, get a little screw on here. Onto here. Put that in there. I'm not going to tighten it down all the way. Apparently I'm not going to tighten it down at all. Boy, I'm just catching L's, son. There we go. Okay. Boom, pow. Okay. So I'm going to back this up a little bit. So my blade is nice and free moving. Okay. So pretty much you set this in here. Boom. All right. Your blade is free moving. You literally just press it forward until you reach your desired closeness. Okay. Do that, hold it there, and tighten down. Okay. Tighten that down. And you check your blade. Nice and gapped. Not overly gapped, not under gapped. Just regular old gapped. Throw our little screws back up in here. Okay, and boom. Ooh, they work. Ooh, they hit. Ooh, baby. Ooh, they hit, baby. What you doing, baby? All right, there you have it. All right, guys, there you have it. That's how you modify your Slimline Pro LIs. These things hit, boy. Anyways, that's how you modify them. If you guys liked this video, make sure to hit the like button for your boy. It helps out the channel. And if you're not a part of the team, hit the red subscribe button. Consider doing that. That'd be dope. Anyways, yeah. Let me know how you guys liked the video. This is my first time doing it, so I think it turned out pretty good. What do you guys think? Not bad, huh? Yeah. And they hit too. I'll show you guys a video tomorrow on them hitting. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow. Peace. What's up, YouTube? It's the Barber Teezy, and I appreciate you watching this video. If you guys like the content and you want to see more of it, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button right in the middle, my little face thing, wherever it is right here. Hit that and subscribe and join the team. If you guys liked this video, hit the like button for your boy. And if you want to check out more content that I've made, click on this video here or this video here. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.